Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 registered Nissan Qashqai DCi N-Connecta. Now this is the 1500cc super fuel efficient wonderful diesel engine, arguably one of the best 1500cc diesel engines on the market today. Shared in the Renault, the Nissan and even Mercedes-Benz buy this engine and put it in their A classes. A super fuel efficient, capable of well over 55 miles to the gallon. Now this is the N-Connecta, so you get the full really nicely specified vehicle on here. So you can see it's finished in this lovely grey metallic, riding on the 18-inch bicolour alloys. Now as we take a look around it, I'll show you some of the wonderful features. So the grey metallic paintwork really suits this car. Now I like grey cars, very easy to keep clean, not like black ones that you need to polish them every time, and not like silver ones that sometimes look that little bit plain. So this is a great compromise, a grey car. It shows all the lines, the chrome work, the gloss black detail. Now these bicolour alloy wheels are always very nice. Finished off in 18 inches. Tyres are not expensive on them, and it doesn't compromise the ride. But externally, we've got the parking sensors on the front and the rear. This one has 360 surround cameras, so you've got cameras down the sides, cameras on the back, so reversing and parking is very simple. Now this is a second sort of facelift, so we've got the newer style front end, we've got this newer style front grille that came out in 2018, and they've carried on today with the newer version of this. But this is a great car. Now I've got two keys in my pocket, but as we go round the vehicle you'll see all the paintwork's in great condition. The alloys are wonderful. Looks like it's had a couple of new tyres on the front of this one. They've still got the sort of little stickers on, but when you look down the side you can tell it's really been cared for. Our detailers have machine polished this, so we've clay barred it, we've removed all of the sort of debris off the paint, so it really looks as good as we can. Now as you come around the rear then, the facelift got a different tailgate, different lights. Again, this nicer bottom half of the bumper. As I open the boot, you'll see there we've got the reversing camera. But just look at the size of that boot. Now that boot floor, you can raise it and lower it. Very nice. 60/40 split rear seat in there for the luggage and everything else that goes with a small SUV. Great family cars these, fit 5 adults in with ease. All the shopping, all the toys, all the bells, all the whistles, everything you need. Roof bars and a panoramic roof if you do need a roof box for camping, etc. But the whole car is in great condition. All, as I say, the wheels are wonderful. Now when we detail it in service, we'll remove those wheels, we'll wash them inside out, we'll polish them, we'll get them looking wonderful. 2 keys here, as I say. Now this is a keyless car, so just press that there and you can see the power folding door mirror is in operation. The car's now effectively locked. Now when I approach it in a minute, the key I'm going to put in my pocket. You can see that 360 camera underneath there as well. Just pop my hand there, press that again. Hey presto, as if by magic, the car opens. Lovely sort of interior on these. We've got the contrast stitch running down the door, we've got the graphite detail in the inlay, and then this sort of sports style grey and anthracite trim in here. Really wears well, especially if you've got a growing family. Dashboard's nicely set out there, satellite navigation screen down the centre. So we've got these power folding door mirrors, we've got the blind spot indicator that flashes when you are on a motorway, square bottom steering wheel here now, keys in my pocket, dip the clutch, press the start button, and if by magic, off we go. So speedo reading at the moment is, as it comes into life, 31,568 miles. That's alright, isn't it? So automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, cruise control, radio controls, very nice square bottom steering wheel, similar to an Audi TT, etc. Auto hold handbrake, 6-speed manual transmission, climate control, air conditioning, digital. And then we've got, obviously here, still got a CD player, like that. Got the DAB radio, we've got the satellite navigation. I'll select reverse for you, and there you'll see we've got a bird's eye view on the camera. That's 360 surround camera, and then we've also got the parking lines. Now if I wanted to go onto there, I can change the cameras on there if I want. So there's the passenger side or the driver's side. Just keep pressing the camera there and you'll see there's various options. Very, very nice indeed. Coming over then to the centre there, we've got the lane change warning system on this, and then auto dimming mirror. Somebody's got the lights on bright at night, that'll go down. And we've got the panoramic roof there, fixed glass so it doesn't open. However, we've got this blind here which we can close the glass roof on if it gets a little bit too hot in here in summer or a bit cold in winter. But yeah, most people like driving it with the panoramic roof open. Now look at the interior, lovely condition. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keepers weren't smokers. All the interior's nice. We shampoo everything inside, obviously. Now this will be serviced before it leaves Wigan. If you check out the website, you'll see all the photographs of the service history. All our vehicles are guaranteed with ourselves, so there's no issue there. The national warranties, so you don't need to bring it back to Wigan if you don't need. And that's with the motoring organisation. But all in all, a wonderful car. Now it's beeping there because I've got the key in my pocket and the car's still running, so it gives you an audible alarm to say you forgot to switch your car off, Mr. Hogg. But as they go, that is a wonderful family SUV. There you can see that nice LED daytime running light that they all got. So what more can I say? Full book pack, 2 keys, service history, everything you want. If you want a part exchange, give us a call, we can sort that out. If you need finance, give us a call, we can also do that. Check out our reviews, check out everything, and you'll see that we're a 40-year-old family business here in Wigan. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.